What's up everyone, and welcome back to 85 The Ride. So I've gone out and got myself a couple GP Shorty exhausts, which is obviously super loud. Very surprised with it actually. Like I knew it was going to be loud. I did run the same Shorty exhaust on my Honda Rebel. I had a Honda Rebel before I picked up this thing, if you're new to the channel. I really like the look of the long exhaust. If you haven't seen what my exhaust looked like before, I did have a Stage 2 Indian Performance exhaust on there, which they no longer make for the bike. I don't think Indian does any performing enhancing parts for their motorcycles anymore. So when I picked up this thing, I had the Stage 2 Indian pipes put on there with the bigger airbox, had it dyno tuned and all the rest of it. Putting out 110 horsepower now, really gets up and goes. Like I said, I did like the look of the longer exhaust on there, but I think having the Shorty actually really complements that chopped off rear guard. Really keeps that bobber look happening, so I'm actually pretty happy with that. I do have an exhaust being made up that I'm gonna chuck on there around the end of the year. For the meantime, I really just wanted something a little bit louder. I'm sick of being merged into and people not noticing me on the road, so I was like, well, I'm gonna chuck on some louder exhaust. It's a nightmare out on the road. As anyone else that rides would understand, you just don't get seen. I think these are a great way to increase the volume and make the bike sound a lot better without having to pay through the roof to make it happen. So I think Australian, these only cost about anywhere from $200 to $300 for the pair. Again, you're not spending thousands of dollars for a full new exhaust, and yeah, it just gets the job done. Nice, cheap and easy. Finally, the sound matches the power. This thing rides absolutely aggressive and crazy, but always lacking in that volume. So what I'll do now is chuck up an old clip of the old exhaust sound, and we'll cut back and I'll give you a listen to the Shorty GP. Alrighty guys, so that was the old Stage 2 Indian Performance exhaust. So we'll start her up now and give you guys a listen to this. So as you can hear, that's a hell of a lot louder than what the other one was. We're in a bit of a little echoey space here, but yeah, these things absolutely pump the sound. So super easy to install too. I am going to lose this bracket here. This bracket was just for holding on to the longer exhaust and that. It's just a bit more fiddle, and I just wanted to see how these, I guess, sounded first before I committed completely to taking all of this apart. But for now, these definitely do the job. So what we'll do, we'll gear up, and I'll show you guys how it sounds whilst we're riding. So that's another thing I want to check in this video, is just how well you guys can still hear me with a louder exhaust, because if you can't hear me so well, I'll definitely have to chuck on something a bit quieter. So alright. Again, it just sort of matches the power of this thing now. I swear it's just like a touch more like responsive. Again, it has been dyno tuned and had the airbox done, all the bits and pieces, but again, it's just so snappy. We're not on public roads, so we can open it up a bit. If you were to just change the exhaust on this, I don't think you need to get it tuned. Obviously it'd make a big difference, but until you change that airbox out or the air filter and stuff, I probably wouldn't worry about it. Obviously once you've done that, yeah, I would suggest chucking it on the dyno and getting the bike running right. So curious as to see how well we can still hear me voice with this exhaust. It's just that much louder. It's absolutely ridiculous. We'll go for a thing up here. absolutely love the sound of this thing, obviously. I think I said it before, but it's like the sound now matches the power. It's just off its head power-wise, and yeah, now we've got the noise to go with it. So, but I mean, look, if you're looking for, again, a cheap, easy way to get some more noise on your bike, you can't afford, or you don't want to spend, you know, thousands of dollars getting a full-blown brand name exhaust, Shorty GP, job done. Again, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what exhaust you've ran on your Indians. Also, just quickly, new merch drop is officially out. Everything's up on the website. That new stock is going quick. We finally have hoodies. So many people have been asking for hoodies, and we have them. Right, guys, well, that about does it for the video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, share, comment. Everything helps out the channel a lot. Make sure you jump over and grab yourself some new merch. Goes pretty quick. So again, thanks for all the support, guys. It's been unreal lately, and I'll catch us in the next one. Cheers.